Hey everybody, my name is Dakota Graff. I am the Director of Coffee for Onyx Coffee Lab. So what led us to the idea of using two different coffee roasters is really the idea that each coffee roaster itself applies heat in a different way. We've always used Dietrich connected to our SOVDA, and then we had the idea when we had a new roasting facility that we wanted to include a totally different heat application through the Loring technology in conjunction with a SOVDA lift and a SOVDA Pearl Mini. And that has allowed us to maintain quality control across all our different roasting platforms. So we've had anywhere from convective heat to full conductive heat like the Dietrich's. SOVDA's all the way through. So we know all of our coffee will be sorted, clean, sweet, and exactly how we want it in the end product. What roaster works best for every coffee profile is sort of up for debate, to be honest. We tailor a lot of our coffees through different roasting machines based on what we know about how roasting technology works. So we try to use applied theory of sort of like the Dietrich's might be a bit more conductive heavy, so it's gonna have a higher tactile experience, maybe lower clarity, but for the sake of profiling and applying those things, we use the Loring for a lot of our more clear and sweet and clean coffees, and then all of the things that we like for its tactile and for its sweetness, we roast on the Dietrich's. So we lean into the strengths of each roaster by tasting coffees. We cup all of our coffees, every single batch we roast right here, and that really gives us a good glimpse into a bit more of what's happening with the coffee when it's roasted on a specific machine. And then from there, we tailor it. It's either a roast adjustment or we change machines. So we really have a lot more versatility across all of our roasting platforms. And of course, they're connected with the SOVDAs. And so that allows us to not worry about any physical defects like Quakers or anything like that that might affect the end cup quality. So SOVDA has played a key role in expanding our roasting operations because we can really just know that all of our coffee is not going to have Quakers or anything like that, and it's going to be across the board very similar to what we're doing here, there, and kind of everywhere. So that really allows us to have peace of mind on the end quality of the product. It's going to be free of any defects. We've actually added a third Pearl Mini to our lineup, and that's impacted us in a number of ways, all obviously positive. It really just allows us to have a ton of flexibility at the end quality of the products and keep things super consistent across all the bases. We love the SOVDA technology for its just ease of use. They have a ton of AI features that allows you to basically take a snapshot of how many Quakers are in a coffee and how much you want to sort out, and you can modulate it super easily within the little touch screen there. And for me, as the person who oversees the quality control of the product, it is amazing because I can go through any of our locations, take a look at what's happening, and then modulate based on that, or any feedback that we get from the cupping table during our quality control process. SOVDA just allowed us to make really clean and easy changes throughout the entire process from roasted to the end product.